What if I told you that one single indicator, with just the right rules, can give you clean, clear signals on a 15-second chart? No confusion, no second guessing. Today I'm going to show you my OsMA strategy, a simple, rule-based approach where you wait for the OsMA to cross the zero line, confirm with 2 bars, confirm with 2 candles, and then you enter. That's it. No overcomplication, no noise. This strategy works best in a zigzag trending market, and I'm going to show you exactly how to spot it, read it, and trade it, step by step. If you're new here, subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies, because on this channel we break down real strategies, real rules, and real charts. So if that's what you're looking for, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. But real quick before we dive in, trading binary options carries real risk, and capital loss is possible. I'm not promising results. I'm simply sharing what has worked for me in my own testing. Start on a demo account first, get comfortable, and only then go live. All right, let's get into the setup. We're using just one indicator, the OsMA, with the classic settings, 12, 26, and 9. No custom tweaks, no fancy modifications. Keep it default. Time frame is 15 seconds, and your expiry is 1 minute. Now, the OsMA prints histogram bars, above and below a zero line in the middle. And that zero line, that is the entire foundation of this strategy. Everything you're about to learn revolves around it. So let's talk about the trading rules. And pay close attention here because the entry is very specific. For a buy, you're watching for the OsMA bars to travel from below the zero line to above it. That crossover tells you momentum is shifting to the upside, but we still don't enter yet. We wait. We need to see 2 green bars printed above the zero line, and at the same time, 2 green candles on the price chart confirming the same move. Both conditions together. Only then do you enter the buy. For a sell, it's the exact mirror. OsMA crosses from above the zero line to below it. Wait for 2 red bars below the line and 2 red candles on the chart. Both confirm, then you enter the sell. Simple, consistent, rule-based. Now here are 2 situations where you do not trade, no matter what. If the OsMA histogram bars are sitting perfectly flat near the zero line, stay out. There's no momentum, no direction, nothing to trade. And if a major news event just hit the market, stay out. News spikes break the math behind this indicator completely, and no setup is worth trading through that kind of chaos. One more thing. Never trade against the trend. This strategy is designed to follow momentum, not fight it, and it performs best in a zigzag market, where price is cleanly swinging up and down in waves. If the market looks flat, choppy, going sideways, just skip it. Wait for the zigzag. Wait for the trend. Then execute. Now, to make all of this second nature while you're actually trading, I've put together a free PDF guide for this exact strategy. It has the full details plus a quick reference entry card you can keep right next to your screen while you trade. The link is in the description below. Go grab it real quick so you can follow along with everything coming up next. All right, you now have everything you need. The indicator setup, the entry rules, and what to avoid. Now it's time to actually see it in action. Let's pull up the live chart right now and go through real trades, entry by entry, bar by bar. Let's test this strategy live. Let's go. All right, we're live on the chart, 15-second time frame, and I'm watching this setup develop in real time. Look at the price action here. The market has been moving in a clear zigzag structure. We had a strong push up, then a pullback down, and now the OsMA has crossed below the zero line. The histogram is printing red bars below the line, and the candles on the chart are confirming the same bearish momentum. Both conditions are lining up. OsMA below zero, 2 red bars, 2 red candles. The rules say sell, so I'm following the rules. Entry is confirmed, expiry is set, trade is placed. Now we wait. And this, right here, is where trading gets real. The moment the trade is live, price does what markets love to do. It moves against you first. Look at this. A strong, bullish candle suddenly fires up, pushing price away from our entry point. That's the market testing your patience, testing your discipline. And this is exactly why I always say, you don't manage the trade after you enter. You already did your job. The setup was valid, the rules were followed, the entry was clean. What happens next is the market's decision, not yours. So what do you do in this moment? Nothing. You sit on your hands, you trust the structure, and you let the trade breathe. This is the hardest part of trading, not finding the entry, but having the discipline to stay calm while the trade is still open. And there it is. Trade closed. That's a loss. Now, let's keep watching the chart. The next setup is already forming. All right, same chart, new setup. And this time, the OsMA is telling a completely different story. After that last trade, I kept watching. And look at what developed. The market made a clean swing down, found its footing, and now the OsMA has crossed back above the zero line. The histogram is printing green bars above the line, and the candles on the chart are pushing upward, confirming the same bullish momentum. The zigzag structure is still intact. The trend gave us a pullback, and now it looks like it wants to continue upward. Both conditions are met. OsMA above zero, 2 green bars, 2 green candles. The rules say buy, so I'm following the rules. Entry confirmed, expiry set, buy trade is placed. Let's see how this one plays out. And just like that, the market does it again. The moment the buy trade goes live, that big bullish candle that triggered our entry, it stalls. And then price starts pulling back. Hard. A strong red candle forms, and the momentum that looked so clean just seconds ago completely flips direction. The price is now moving straight down against our buy position, and there's nothing we can do but watch it unfold. Now I want you to pay close attention to this moment, because this is where most traders make their biggest mistake. When a trade starts going the wrong way, the mind immediately goes to panic. You start questioning everything. Was the setup wrong? Did I miss something? Should I have waited longer? But here's the truth. No strategy in the world gives you a clean win every single time. What looks like a perfect setup on a 15-second chart can reverse in the very next candle. That's the nature of short time frame trading. The edge is never in one trade. It's in how you execute consistently across many trades. So we stay calm, we let the clock run, and we accept whatever comes next. Trade closed. Another loss. 2 back-to-back. Losses happen, even on valid setups. Even when every rule is followed correctly. The worst thing you can do right now is panic, break your rules, or chase the next trade out of frustration. Document it, accept it, and move on with the same discipline. The chart is still moving. Let's keep watching. All right, new chart, fresh setup. And this one caught my attention immediately. Look at the price structure here. The market pushed up strongly, made a clean high, and now the momentum is visibly shifting. The OsMA bars are starting to fall, crossing from above the zero line to below it. The histogram is printing red bars, and the candles on the chart are turning bearish, confirming the same downward pressure. This is exactly the zigzag structure we talked about at the beginning of this video. The market went up. Now it wants to come down. And the OsMA is telling us the same story. Both conditions are lined up. OsMA crossing below zero, red bars printing, red candles confirming. The rules say sell, so I'm following the rules without hesitation. Sell trade placed, expiry set. Now we let the market do its job. And from the very first second this trade is live, the market moves in our direction. No waiting, no uncertainty. Strong red candles pushing lower one after another. The OsMA histogram is now firmly below the zero line, and the bearish momentum is accelerating. This is what a strategy looks like when everything aligns correctly. Structure right. OsMA signal right. Candle confirmation right. The market is simply following through on what the chart already told us. Let's see where this closes. Trades closed, and all of them are winners. Every loss from this session, recovered. In one clean setup, same strategy, same rules, same process. Now hear this clearly. I did not plan to recover those losses in one trade. I did not change my rules or increase position out of frustration. I simply waited for the next valid signal and followed the strategy exactly as taught. This approach is not recommended for everyone. What worked here could have easily gone the other way. The lesson from this entire session is simple. Follow your rules every single time, stay patient after losses, and trust the process. That is the OsMA strategy in real market conditions. Raw, honest, and unfiltered. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next strategy breakdown. The free PDF guide for this strategy is linked in the description below. Go grab it and keep it next to your screen while you practice. See you in the next one.